throw this out there regarding like systemic racial racism inequities. And what I hear is like I don't want to politicize that it's political, not you. And that is true, but it's actually a human rights issue. So they're overlapped. So for me myself, the human rights issue overshadows any political any political innuendos that may come out of it. If that may today, maybe a year ago would have been different, but today. So if I share, like I'm sharing openly and sincerely about how it affects me, and then I open the conversation, because again, when I was asked how are you, and I was honest, I said I'm mentally exhausted physically because of all this stuff. I also mentioned that we were acknowledging that something is happening. And then the conversation was the tool, the bridge that was going to help us. And there's nothing political about that. It's more about discussing human rights and racial and equities. And once you speak about it, about your own personal experience, I guarantee the people who you never thought would ask you or say, hey, I feel the same way, will ask you, I will say, I feel the same way, or say, thank you. That ties back into, I'm saying that you are in a different position than most people. You have relationships built with individuals, clients, members, your social platform. They have trust. They look at you as for guidance. It's not about changing the world. It's about speaking if it's affecting you. And I have to stress, if it's not affecting you and you say that it is, they will know. If we lack sincerity about this, what's happening now, and try to jump on a bandwagon and say it affects you and it doesn't, it will come out like that too. But if you say that it is, whether you're white, black, green, we all have that empathy and common bond that we don't want to hurt anyone. Tony?
Yeah, I agree with what you're saying, Julio, and you and I